Venn diagrams is a new topic on GCSE, and the thing that caused most people trouble is this symbol here, which means the universal set. And what the universal set means that everything that's inside this has to go somewhere in our Venn diagram. Now, our Venn diagram has got two sections, we've got A and B, so make sure that you label both circles 1A and 1B. Now, the universal set that means that everything's got to go into the Venn diagram. It's got to be an odd number, less than 20. So we've got 4 different sections. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 different sections. And what we do is we always start off with this here, which is the overlap. Now, in section A, in the A circle, we've got all the square numbers. And in section B, we've got everything that's in the 3 times table. So what I would do to start off with is write out what the universal set is. So write out all the numbers that are going to lie in that set. So all the odd numbers less than 20. So we've got, if we write them over here, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. Now this is the universal set. That's everything that's got to go in your Venn diagram. So these are all the numbers that are odd and less than 20. Okay, so if I want to do the overlap here, it's got to be a square number and in the 3 times table. So all the square numbers are 1 times 1, 2 times 2, 3 times 3, 4 times 4, 5 times 5. So the only ones that are square numbers are 1 and 9. So these are going to need to go into circle A, but everything that's in the 3 times table goes into circle B as well. So if we have a look at the 2 square numbers, 1 and 9, 9 is the only square numbers in the 3 times table. So this goes in the overlap, because that's in circle A and in circle B. Now all the other square numbers go into the rest of circle A. So the only other square number is 1. So we've got 1 in this. And then for the rest of circle B, it's everything else that's in the 3 times table. So far we've dealt with 1, we've dealt with 9. Everything else is in the 3 times table. We've got 3 that's in the 3 times table. And we've got 15, which is in the 3 times table. And everything else, it's neither a square number or in the 3 times table. So if it's in neither, we put it on the outside. So 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and 19. And that is our Venn diagram complete. And now what we've got to do is we've got to answer the 2 questions down here. So I want to find all the elements that is in A, this little U symbol, B. So A, U, B, we remember that as the goggles. So everything is in this shape here. So what we mean by that is everything that is within this boundary here. That's the A, U symbol, B. So all the numbers that are in there are 1, 9, 3, and 15. So find all the elements of A union B. It's going to be 1, 9, 3, 15. It doesn't matter which order we write it in. And that's that. So that one's done. Now the next one is A, N, B. So A, N, B. Now this N means the overlap. So N means like and, A and B. Now the only one that's in A and B is 9. However, this P on the outside, this means a probability. So if it means probability, how many numbers are in the overlap? And that's 1. And how many numbers are there in total? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's going to be 1 out of 10. So when it says probability, you've got to write it as a probability. If it says find all the elements, you've got to write down all the numbers that are in that part of the diagram. Not the easiest stuff, which is why it's a longer video today, but I want you guys to have a go at this one here now. So if you pause the video, then you can have a go at it. And if you've done so, what we're going to do is we're going to start off by labelling the diagram. Don't ever forget to label the diagram, because it's an easy mark that you can lose. So the next one, we're going to look at the overlap. So that's something that's in the 4 times table and a 2-digit number. So all the 4 times tables, 4, 8, 12 from the universal set, but the only one of those that's a 2-digit number is 12. So that's going to go in the overlap. So once we've done the overlap, we then look at letter A. That's everything in the 4 times table. So that's going to be 4 and 8. And then B, all the two-digit numbers. So we've done 4 and 8. All the two-digit numbers are 10, 11, 13, 14, 15. 10, 11, 13, 14, 15. You see, if we scratch them off from the universal set, we can see what we've got left. Now, everything that we've got left is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 9. That's it. Right. Now, the two questions. Find probability. Notice that this P means a probability. So find the probability of A or B. So this A or B, that is that goggle shape. So the probability, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's going to be 8 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all up to 15. So 8 out of 15. Question B, see how it's worded differently? Write all the elements that satisfy A and B. So all the numbers that are in the A circle and the B circle. It's not a probability this time because there's no P. So all the numbers that are in A and B are 12. So the answer is simply 12 for that one. Well done if you managed to get that.